My name is Brian, and I'm a project manager at MicroArt. MicroArt Services is a electronics contract manufacturer. We build various electronics in various different fields, such as medical, auto, energy, consumer electronics. It is very important to us to be able to meet the deadlines. The type of challenges that we faced before the array system was in testing and our custom tooling products. Oftentimes, those things came from overseas. The array system, we were able to create and manufacture a lot of those small components and custom toolings ourselves, which significantly reduced the time that it takes for us to receive the parts and use them. I would say as much as 2 to 3 weeks that we were able to improve on the production timeline. The array is fully automated, so it runs in the background, so we can go about our day-to-day production and day-to-day needs. Integrates very seamlessly into our operations. Has been a huge benefit for us to be able to manufacture that in-house and keep it for our customers for future builds. I think it definitely contributes a lot to our competitiveness in the market. It offers Canadian manufactured products that can be sourced locally through us. It definitely gives us an edge in quoting customer builds because it's a packaged product that we can advertise from testing to engineering fixtures and custom toolings and things like that. It's definitely reduced the reliance on our overseas vendors significantly on certain parts. We are able to manufacture whatever parts that we need in-house, quick and easy. So it's been very much helpful. The additive modules have definitely helped us a lot with DFAM. We've been working with Mosaic to build tools and resources for other Canadian businesses in manufacturing. It certainly helped MicroArt a lot in our improving our processes and in our manufacturing. I think what comes out of this project is beneficial to all Canadian manufacturers. I'm very excited to see where this project takes us in the future and how it impacts Canadian manufacturing as a whole.